Okay, we have a 2021 Honda Rebel 1100 DCT automatic for sale. It has just over 13,000 miles. Do a cold startup on it here. 13,280. It's 100 degrees out here. Woohoo! Yeah, it's hot. It's got a Coffman's Thunder on it right now, and all the maintenance is done. It's fresh, it's ready to ride. Oil's been changed, tires are almost new. I mean, look at this. Got the, let's see if I can roll it around here, Metzeler CruiseTecs front and rear, and these are just fantastic tires. Great upgrade from the factory Dunlops. Anyway, they're both pretty much fresh. I think that one's got 1,500 miles on it. This one's got about 3,000 miles on it. Should be good for another 8,000 at least, and another 5,000 maybe. Other upgrades, it's got the SW-Motech Honda OEM saddlebag carriers on here. I'll show you a couple of pictures of it with and without the saddlebags. I've got two sets of bags. One is a SW-Motech Legends series bags, smaller ones for the left and right, and then a tail bag that also converts to a backpack. And then I've got the Honda factory bags, the long ones for both sides on this that'll go with it. I've got, what other upgrades? It has a lithium, a NOCO Group 14 lithium battery under there, which definitely helps spin over this big 1100 twin a whole lot better. I've got the CRG lane splitter mirrors, fold-in bar ends. I have the Daytona Blast Barrier windshield on this bike, and then right behind it is the RiderScan blind spot mirror that everyone asks me so many questions about. Oh yeah, and all the factory parts that came off of it will be going with the bike. I've got two OEM seats, the original one that came on there, and then the custom forward seat, which is a little bit more compact, has a diamond stitch pattern on it. That's going to go with it. I have the factory exhaust that was pulled off with only 100 miles on it sitting in my garage. She's ready to go to a new home. I haven't been riding it too much, and I'm trying to sell it for my daughter to get a car. So that's that, and happy bidding, happy buying. Bye bye, love you, but my daughter needs a car.